Okay.
I think there was a mention of heat trace cables, so
Yeah,
that
heat tracing.
chairman has
Okay. Heat
deleted.
tracing is not applicable.
Yes, yes, yes.
So in commissioning, pre-commissioning and PSSR, we have got 3 activity. Painting is not applicable, right? Here?
Applicable, right? Painting,
Applicable.
per piping, yeah.
Okay, integration, energization, performance test, startup, and pit up tensing.
And here you can add this purging and
Venting. So actually,
venting and
purging and venting, I have kept it here. Plant startup, shutdown, and purging. So this is why I am keeping LOPC scenario. Plant startup, shutdown, and purging. Right, Rakesh? So in this case, yes, we are keeping the same risk level, and we are keeping the same hazard, and the same restrictions, allowance, and prohibitions are applicable for this case. And we are going to go up to F1, F2, F3 on, because there is no change in hazard level and there is no change in restrictions. In piping support, I want to understand that somebody was saying up to 3 meters of pipe spool you are going to install, and this may have some source of ignition. We are going to keep the same restriction for plant startup shutdown cases, normal operation cases, and same prohibition for emergency drill and emergency scenarios, and the same restrictions for weather and for HSCES and for interfaces. Fit up and welding. Are you going to do the welding there, or you are going to do the only nut and bolt? Santosh and Naman?
Welding
Welding
is
will be
there,
involved.
right?
Welding is there, yes.
Welding is required.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So we will have the same restrictions in this case also, because the risk remains same, hazard remains same, restrictions, allowance, and prohibition remains same. NDT. So NDT, we have got what restriction number? NDT is R5. NDT is a very critical job, and this should be done during lunch time, break time, night time. So when you are going to do NDT, you are going to do NDT night times or in the lunch break time? Naman and team?
Both are applicable. You can do it.
Even night also, right?
Yeah, even night also.
But we are saying night work is prohibited.
It is night work is prohibited during the lunch hours. We can do it.
Okay. So here I would say that night work is prohibited, but during NDT you can do night work, right?
Separately NDT we can